Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're gonna make Salsa Roja, restaurant style, the dipping thing for dipping salsa for just tortilla chips. Okay, so for my Salsa Roja, what I need is 2 tomatoes, and to make it a little spicy, 2 Serrano peppers instead of jalapeno, then some garlic and half an onion. So the reason I'm taking this thing, this is just like a dip sauce. When I go to this restaurant, the Taco Cabanas or something like that, they give this dip sauce in a small container to put it on tacos, breakfast tacos or whatever. So this is just a basic sauce to make something with tomatoes spicier, and you can use it with chips or salsa or whatever, chips and salsa. That's what they serve you. So this is just a basic tomato Salsa Roja. So now our 2 tomatoes have been washed, 4 garlic. Now if you want to cut down on garlic, it's fine. So all you do is score this thing like I showed you in my previous videos. No need of throwing things down. Okay, so here we go. So, and then we're gonna just take this and roast it a little bit so to get better flavor out of it. And then when you're gonna grind it well into a salsa. Okay, so now we have an iron skillet, nice and hot. So just put our 2 chilies there, the garlic, the onion, and the tomatoes. Just flip them around, so just brown them a little bit, not blacken them, because if you blacken them, then your red salsa will turn black. We just want to turn that around, okay? Okay guys, so now we can smell my jalapeno and everything, and you see that onion is kind of blanched also. The skin can come out at this time. So it's almost ready. So we can use this. Definitely my onions and my garlic is ready, so I'm gonna take that out. You don't want to cook it too much. And so garlic is ready, and just let this ready for another minute or so, and then we're gonna proceed to blend it. When this is ready, there you go. We don't want to burn that. Okay, so this is it. Now we're gonna take this out and blend it. Okay guys, so now we got this thing roasted pretty good, you know, on that skillet. And now in this case, if you want to remove the skin out, that's called blanching, it's good, but I don't want it to come out because I want all the flavor in it. It always comes out. If you cook these tomatoes, later on it will come up to the top. Same thing with the Serrano peppers. Now this is Serranos. You can either cut it and get everything out if you don't want the spice level, the inside stuff, you mean the small seeds and everything, okay? But in this case, this recipe is just right for somebody who can tolerate heat. So what I'm gonna do is chop this real fine and then put it in the blender. Since we're gonna blend it, we're just gonna manageable pieces, so we can blend it faster and the blades don't get messed up. So if your blender is powerful, you can always use it whole, and it will, you can chop it like that, or you can blend it or in the food processor or whatever. So this is better way of blending it. So I'm chopping this a little bit here. And there you go. And then I'm gonna put this in the food process. In the blender. Okay guys, so everything's cut up pretty good. So I'm gonna put this in the blender now. And you know what I like about Mexican food is when I was new to America, I used to watch Rick Bayless cook, and he used to make it so simple. cooking with the spices. So it's not spices, it's just the freshness of everything which brings out the flavor in the meats and everything. So important thing is to have everything fresh whenever you're going to eat it. Okay guys, so everything's in my container, so ready to blend it. Blend it to a smooth consistency. Okay, so we finished blending all this stuff. Look at this immaculate color of those 2 tomatoes, and just add this little salt into it, and that's it. Voila, it's done. This is our red rojo salsa for dipping, for tortilla chips and everything. So blend it. Okay guys, so welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Now we're gonna taste our Salsa Roja restaurant style dip for tortilla chips. I love this because they serve this at the Taco Cabana. Let's see how it's. Oh my God, it's amazing. Look, I mean, this is what you gotta do for fresh salsa instead of buying the store-bought salsa and paying $5-6 for it. So just how easy it is to make this recipe. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!